Hello friends, it's Running Kimono. I hope you're all doing great. This is a very easy deal over at the Dollar General to get some free Cascade pods and a Bic Soleil razor. So we're going to jog through this and I'm going to show you how to get this for free. And just a word to the wise, the Cascade pods are found in the clearance section. That's where you're going to find them. So if your section has absolutely nothing other than nothing, just empty shelves, this deal isn't probably for you. But if you can scan it in the app and maybe track some down at one of your local stores, this might be a really smart deal, or even something to throw in with a Saturday 5 off of 25 possibly. So the first item that we're going to grab is one of these Bic Soleil razors found in the regular section for $3.30. So this lady, yeah, and most stores I visited had a good amount of them. So this is the one we're going to grab, just the one. And here's the UPC if you want to scan at home to see, hey, do I have the right coupon for this one? And just to show you guys, here is the digital coupon. Now, if you look at this coupon, the photos don't really show the razor I just showed you. So for a lot of you, you're going to say, well, that's the wrong one. But if you look, it says on a purchase of any one Bic Soleil, Flex, or hybrid disposable razor. So Soleil is in fact there, and that comma, whenever there is one, it's a separation of like this item. That's how they list it on coupons. Okay, so the next product that we're going to grab is 3 of these Cascade. It is a 4-pack, so it's the Cascade with Dawn. You're going to find this in the clearance section. And I mean, it's so fantastic. So here is the UPC if you want to scan in at home and see what your store might have. To use the Dollar General app, I have a video I'm going to link at the very end. But below it, it should say, like in the little write-up of, say, your store's in like Cleveland, Ohio, it'll say, the store on Spring Street, there's like, 5 bags. There should be a number. So it'll give you at least a starting point of like, oh, I'm going to go to this store on Spring Street and there's 5. So I could possibly do this deal. And just to show you, here are the digital coupons. So if you could only find 1 bag, hey, you're still getting 10 cents of overage. And if you could find 2, it's another 20, with the 1 off and the 2 off. And then if you could find all 3, it's 30 cents of overage. And in the fine print of the coupon, it says 4 count or larger, which is really fantastic. So these smaller bags are in fact attaching and giving some overage. And remember, we're finding it in the clearance section. So going through the math for this, the Bic Soleil razor is $3.30. 3 of the Cascade with Dawn, they're 90 cents each, so that's $2.70 for a total right here of 6. We have the 3 off for the Bic razor, and then the $1 off, and then the $2 off for the Cascade. So it basically makes this tax. So what a great little deal. If you wanted to save this for Saturday with the 5 off of 25, go for it. But be on the lookout in the clearance section for those Cascade Dawns. This is a tremendous deal. Okay, so before I take off, just going to touch on the Huggies. I know there's a digital coupon that's giving a little bit of overage on a item in the dollar spot. I'm not going to even touch that one with a million-foot pole, because it seems like if I would ever even step or get near that sort of a deal, I would get in a lot of trouble. Lots of people who just don't like me, in the past, if I've ever shown these sort of deals, they get exceptionally angry. So I'm not even going to touch it with a 10-foot pole. Lots of other fantastic influencers, TikTok, Instagram, even here, have shown the deal. So I know you guys are following more than one. So before people come in the comments and start talking about this and saying, I not showing it, but there's a lot of other people who are showing it. So go and follow one of their matchups. Only thing, word to the wise, is I would open up the Dollar General app and scan, because this one will not last more than 24 hours. They're probably going to pull it or change the fine print or, change the coding of it, as they say. So anyhow, good luck with this, guys. It's always nice to get items for free, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.